Hi there, Chris here. And Suki. We've been sitting here for at least a couple hours, putting together some locks that I'd gutted and hadn't put back together, and looking for locks, and um, trying different locks. Just, what you do in your lab when you're just sitting there and working on stuff. So I found this Dorma. I found this Buffo, or Buffalo, but it does have a buffalo on it. That's an Avis, and it was starting to be a cutaway. Interesting, and I think this was something Rookie Lock sent me. It's very cool. And let's see, is this another Avis? Yeah, this looks like a cheap Avis Security. But it has a gatekeeper right off the bat. Anyway, I think maybe I'll try and pick this guy. Where are you going, Sook? You waking up now? She might just be changing positions. There's the bidding on this key. There's a little bit of a gatekeeper there, and let's see. Where are you going, sweets? Old kitty cat. All right, so it does work. Very smooth. Let's see if I can pick this. Wait a minute, maybe I'll pick it with the Rickster. The Rickster titanium handle lock, or pick. Quiet, Sook. Okay, into a little bit of a false set. Counter. Lost my false set. Got it back. Set one. That's the one that's cut away. I could look, but I don't think I'd keep my attention and looking. All right, counter, counter, counter. Seem to have set that. I think that was, I believe that was two. I think one's good, two's good. Counter on three. Counter, counter. Nope. Messed up. We're gonna get somebody in the back here. Okay. Pretty good false set again. Let's see who it is. I can't tell yet. Oh, one is picked, or at least it's very floppy loose. Maybe it's two. Okay. I think I got two set. Counter on three. Lost my false set. We'll start in the back again. Well, let's try something else. Let's try my regular pick. Now, is there a difference? Yeah, my regular pick has a little bit higher reach. I'm gonna start in the back. There we go. Seems to have given it up on 3. All right, let's see what's in here. Do I have a key? Lock it back up. That took me a while. Hasuk. All right. Does this want to just come off? No. Does this want to come off this way? Uh-huh. Okay, got it started. There we go. Look out. Okay, now, if I had a shim, little 5-pinner. Everybody had to be picked. One, 2, 3. Five. Long pins. Oh, 4. Okay. That's that. Then again, there's the bidding. Which one? Oh, this one. Got my shim out. One looks like to be a standard. Let's see. Get a little bit better view in there. Boom. Yes, one is standard. What happened? Oh, that's just my shim. Springy steel spring. 2 is a spool. Leave that spring there for now. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. So do I remember 5? It might be a spool as well. And it is. And all the springs, I'll take another one out. All the springs are those steel springs. I'll leave the others. Anyway, whoa, let's get back here. I'll hold this up. So there's the pins and some of the springs. Very cool lock. Thank you, Rookie Lock. I love the little Buffalo on there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, say hello to Suki. She's chilling out. And we will see you next time.